Hey guys, welcome back. And for this video, I'm going to show you how to access age-restricted Discord servers. So what you want to do is basically go to your user settings right here. So this will enable the servers on your mobile devices, specifically iOS devices, but you could try and see if it works on Android. So you just want to go on the user settings here, on the gear icon. Now go to privacy and safety and scroll down, and as you can see on the server privacy defaults, you need to turn on allow access to age restricted servers on iOS. After joining on desktop, view your servers for people 18 plus on iOS devices. So you need to enable that, and it will eventually enable it on your iOS device. You could also enable all of these on too if you want, like the allow direct messages from the server members, or the allow access to age-restricted commands from apps and direct messages. So I suggest that you could open this too so that you could have full control on you have all the limited access to the age-restricted channels and stuff. Just click on that too and you're good to go. So that's it guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.